Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000. Major breaking news this afternoon out of Milwaukee. The Democratic National Convention is being delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Today, the convention committee announced a new date the week of August 17th in Milwaukee. The original date was July 13th through the 17th. They say this will give planners more time to determine the most appropriate structure for the event. That could include adjusting the convention's format and crowd size. As part of the contingency plan, the committee has confirmed that Pfizer Forum, the Wisconsin Center District, and hotel accommodations in the surrounding area are available in August. Dane County is reporting 234 confirmed cases this morning. That's according to Public Health Madison Dane County. That's two additional cases from yesterday. 3 people have died in Dane County. They were all over the age of 65, but the majority of confirmed cases in the county are affecting people between 20 and 44 years old. Across Wisconsin, there are more than 1,600 cases and 35 deaths. More than 216,000 cases have been reported across the U.S., and more than 5,000 people have died. In the span of 72 hours, the number of coronavirus deaths in New York State alone more than doubled. And paramedics in the city received new marching orders. If a patient is in cardiac arrest and EMTs are not able to get a pulse back at the scene, the patient will not be transported to a hospital. Nurses in several states are protesting over a lack of protective gear. Many say their hospitals are rationing critical supplies. The pandemic has forced an unprecedented number of Americans to seek unemployment help. The Department of Labor says a record 6.6 million people filed for initial unemployment benefits last week. That's double the record high of 3.3 million claims from the previous week.
This is an absolutely insane number of people, and it sure does hurt to see these numbers because I don't think they're going to let up anytime soon.
Some help will come from the government's $2 trillion economic stimulus package, but many say even more is needed. The Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis estimates about 47 million workers could lose their jobs as companies affected by the virus cut their staff. Middleton's city administrator wants to remind Middleton voters that all polling locations are being consolidated at Cromrie Middle School on Tuesday. Voters are asked to enter through door number 5, not the main door. Voters will be separated by their usual polling location. They're asked to remain 6 feet away from others and bring their own pen to reduce the spread of germs. There'll be a transparent barrier between voters and poll workers to help keep everyone safe. If you are voting absentee, you're asked to drop off your completed ballot with a witness signature at the drop box located in the library parking lot on Hubbard Avenue. The final pickup from this location is 7 p.m. on Election Day. You can also drop your absentee ballot off at Cromrie Middle School before 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Nonprofits are among the many organizations facing uncertainty and loss during the pandemic. To help, Madison Community Foundation has distributed nearly $4 million to local nonprofits. They're also supporting the United Way of Dane County's COVID-19 Emergency and Recovery Fund, which goes to communities' health and human services needs in Madison. Madison Community Foundation is also providing support for nonprofits that are not covered by the United Way's fund. If you're in a position to help at this time, you can donate at madisongives.org/community support. Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000.